Guys, ang daming katulong. Ito, ready na to. Tamang-tama. Ayan. It's Patola Day. Panagot siya dito sa ano, ha? And then I'm going to get Lagonde. Awa sa mga bata. May ano ah? May ano? Juliana! Nadumok na lang, no? Which one is dirty clothes in your room? Which one is not?
Mom, you know my people's too small today.
And guys, madilim pa. We have a scheduled brownout today, January 11th, 25. And they said 7 to 4, and it's not even 7. They turned it off 6:59.
See, how could they do that?
They shortchanged at 1 minute. Okay, I'm not videoing you. And guys, I'm having coffee. And I had my breakfast already, and I'm drinking coffee. O, diba? Close the door. It's raining a little bit. And it's Saturday. And it's Manang's day off. And she's not ready. Early morning Saturday. Yung aming sampayan nagiging trellis ng katulong. I just passed the sign, but I don't know where you're going. They're doing bike wash. It seems like houses are not this close. Not this close to
widen, this road being a road, I thought. And then they widen it up, I guess.
And everybody got sorry store right next to each other.
Everybody trying to make a penny, Joe.
I think this is where Janice's house, my classmate before. No, it's not. I'm not sure. My classmate in high school.
Before he get in there, you remember that was
Where's the scale?
Right there, you see it?
Oh, and then he backs.
Yeah.
He goes in that gate.
Yeah, we're gonna see what happened.
Oh, that's why he don't open the gate yet. Oh, he's over. He's not going. Or they're just using a scale.
Yeah.
So now they're leaving.
You see the scale?
Where? Whole bunch of bikers.
Yeah.
That was it?
Yeah, they're gone because as slow as your.
Oh, is it? There's an ambulance in the wrong one. And Montenegro just did a U-turn. Ayan guys, ayan making ano. Ayan lang ice mo na. That's mango. Ayan, ini-slice ko siya nung maninipis kanina. And I got the milk mixture in here. Igagawa ng mango powder. And ayan, meron ako ganyan. Hindi na crush all the way, but ayan.
Why did you tell us you had one?
Wow.
You didn't tell us you bought one of those.
So, ganyan lang ako guys. Dito sa maliit lang na container. Pag malaki, maano naman isa. Dapat you have to mysteriously align this.
Oh, is that the sprinkles? Mom.
Kanya na, be. Amo to na dadaad, mag-mango float, diba? Dapat ga-float ang mango. Hindi nga. Ayun. No comment. Diba? Nap. Hindi nga spotty ang ano. Sabi tirawan ko dyan mango float. Why na tara ko nun? Not so sweet. Yummy. Ngayon guys, naninda ako kaina. May kalabasa. Kagayatin ko na yan para ready na for menus of the day. Ang ganyan, may kangkong at meron tayo. Binilan ko yung mga girls ng donut kanina. Yung donut sa palengke. Gustong gusto. Yung donut na makunat. Pero ito, mga puto. Kutsinta. Stephanie, I got kutsinta. Guys, mag-harvest tayong alugbati. Alugbati. Harvest time. Na tayo yung tok-tok alugbati. Nag-harvest ako ang alugbati. Anong kain na ba dyan? Ang mga layer.
Are you videoing?
We go eat spinach.
This is the last.
These are spinach.